Welcome to my channel, and today's lesson will be on how to create a virtual drive to which we can boot into, like Windows Vista, Windows 7 or 8. Uh, so what we need to do first is create a virtual drive, and we'll do so by opening a command prompt as administrator. And we want to use a little application called Diskport. So right now we want to create. By the way, we might need help. Create disk if you want to be more confident what you do it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and create a disk. Create with disk file to specify the name, and you put up a equal sign and you open perfect. So I want it to be on the D drive, the my these galleries basically, and I want to install it Windows 8. So you might ask, well, how Windows 8 start? What would I need again? So because this example can help you do Windows 7 or Vista 2 VHD. And sorry for that. We need a maximum. We're just gonna specify how big the file can be. So I want it to be 44,000 megabytes because it's gonna be running megabytes, and the type is gonna be expandable. And here 100% confirmed. So after that, you can see that where you made it, it's gonna appear there really small. Unless you use Fix, it's gonna appear. I mean, the actual size. But this don't worry because this is gonna get bigger once you put the files into it. So right now, we want to select the bit for virtual drive, and I want to specify what it is. So D drive and VHD and Hollywood VHD. So it's going to select this successfully selected, so that's a good thing. And so now we want to list this, and you see that this is not here yet, but that's why we want to attach with disk. Let's get it successfully assigned. So now when you list this again, it will appear here and it's going to be selected for you already. So what you want to do is create partition primary. What to select partition 1, and what to format it as fs equals I think it's NTFS, and want to be quick, or you can just hit enter without putting quick, so you can look up. And we'll have to wait this. So as right now, we created a disk formatted as new file technology file system, but we haven't given a letter and assign it as active. So we want to assign letter equals want to be random, so maybe like F. Sorry. You know what, just go ahead and just assign. I'll be better, the computer will give it one automatically. And then we want to press active to tell the computer that you can boot for it. So now we want to exit. Alright, so for this, you're gonna have to have the Windows installation disk, and also the Windows automatic installation kit, which if you know about it you should Google it, but I'm gonna put the links in the description anyway, except for Windows 8 though, because that's proprietary, so I can't give it to you. But you can search for Windows 8 images or YouTube, so other users will be more than happy to help you. So what I want to do is open the Deploy Tools and Command prompt as an administrator. We see here the some of the paths that is good. So so I see like this was the letter H. So I want to know with I don't know if you guys got images. I want to know info, and then I need to specify what is the install the with image. So usually Windows installation it's not under the letter drive, and then on the sources, and there is install the with. So this will give you all the index for images, so you can choose which one you want. So I want to have Windows 8 Professional. I want the 32 version, so I believe that's number 3 here. It tells you right here, image index 3 for the Windows Professional. So since I have the local disk here, the one we just created, 42 gigabytes, that's like 44,000 megabytes. So I want to use the images program, and then but this time we want to apply. I want to specify what image we want to apply. So let's say that we want to install H sources install that way, and I want to apply image in the image index 3. So I type 3 here after space for here. So and you want to say where you want it, right? So I want G. So it's gonna take a while, so I will pause the video so I can show you what I finished. And okay, so I have finished install the Windows into the virtual drive, and now we want to add it to the Windows Boot Manager. So with that, we'll need to use VCD boot and specify the drive for the Windows that we just installed, which is gonna be on Windows basically, and you press it, and so it's gonna say boot file successfully created. Remember to use your drive. So after this we use VCD edit, and you'll see the Windows 8 the description. Although if you want to change the description, because I see 2 Windows 8 there, so I want to use VCD edit set default description Windows 8 whatever, it doesn't matter, whatever it I think I got this. So there we go. operation successfully created. So now we see the edit. We'll tell the new date for it. Use Windows basically. Use space. So people ask, like, how do I erase it? I mean, right now you could just restart your computer, and the computer's gonna ask you to, if you want to put up into the virtual disk or the actual operating system. So by restarting, you should know that. Restart and you see it there if you did everything correctly. But if you want to delete it, you go visit the edit / delete, and we specify what you want to delete if case you not ever gonna use it again. Right, so there. I really bad spelling, but okay. So scale operation successfully created. But that's if you want to delete the entry for the Windows Boot Manager. So every time you restart, the computer is gonna detach the virtual disk. So you get to select the disk. As I mentioned, you select the disk and then you attach it as I did earlier in this video. So thank you for watching.